Leon Medical Centers, one of the nation's leading healthcare services provider, serving Medicare patients since 1996. With more than 2,300 healthcare professionals serving over 42,000 patients, welcomes you to the Leon Experience.
Good morning, Leon Medical Centers. How can I help you?
The Leon Experience begins before you even arrive at the center. When you join Leon Medical Centers, you are assigned a personal representative that will make sure your first visit is pleasant and well coordinated. They will make sure we understand your needs and will secure your first appointment with a primary care physician who plays a pivotal role in our healthcare system. From the moment you sign up, you will experience the personal attention at all times. Why? Because each and every Leon Medical Centers employee goes through our rigorous Service of Excellence training program, a program designed to train our staff at providing our patients with white glove treatment that goes above the standard care of any Medicare Advantage provider. The first step to healthcare is accessibility. Our 7 centers in Miami-Dade are strategically located for easy access to the community. All our centers are equipped with hurricane-proof windows and industrial generators, which provide safety during inclement weather and provides assurance that we will continue operating normally immediately after the storm. At the doors of our centers, you will find courteous doormen or porters who welcome you. They are here to assist patients getting out of their car, to identify what type of assistance they need, and to provide guidance when necessary. The first person you will meet when you enter the center are our lobby attendants. Their responsibility is to guide you to where you are going if you need assistance. As you approach the concierge desk, you can find out anything and everything related to your visit and more. You'll also have access to a registered sales representative licensed to the state of Florida, where you can obtain information on the health plans available at Leon which best fit your needs. Each of our centers is run by an administrator who acts as the head of the facility, as well as various area managers who support each administrator. They manage scheduling of the staff and make sure everything in their facility runs smoothly. The primary care physician is the healthcare quarterback of Leon. Here at Leon, the primary care physician is a personalized healthcare guide, putting each patient on the right path for all their healthcare needs. At Leon, patients have access to a primary care team of nearly 80 doctors and a large group of medical assistants and support staff. Leon's physicians connect patients to all the available Leon services and if the need to see a specialist arises. Once a primary care physician has determined the medical issues a patient is experiencing, he or she refers the patient to a specialist who will delve more deeply into the specialized condition. Many of our specialists are employed by Leon, and others are physicians that we independently contract to serve our patients. But all are experts in their field, and all work at our Leon centers. Having all medical specialties under one roof gives patients the highest level of coordinated medical care, with convenience, efficiency, and better outcomes for any condition. Our laboratories located at each center offer our patients an extensive range of laboratory exams to be used by all medical specialties. At Leon, we can get results in a short period of time for a variety of tests and are open 6 days a week by appointment. Having labs on site provides convenience to our patients and, most importantly, allows the physician to receive immediate results, so the patient's health can be immediately assessed and diagnosed. When a patient requires imaging, we can provide state-of-the-art diagnostics and efficient technology with our upgraded CT scan machines, delivering higher resolution images with lower radiation, and the ability of reconstructing up to 128 slices per rotation. These slices allow our physicians to see more detail and provide our patients a better diagnosis and treatment for their condition. Our physicians can place an order for a diagnostic test in-house without the inconvenience of referring our patient to an outside location. Radiologists are on site which makes the reading of the results quicker with a faster turnaround so the treatments can begin as soon as possible. Our MRI Caring Suite is the only one of its kind in Miami-Dade County, totally dedicated to serving our Medicare patients. What makes this suite so special is that it can be customized to create a soothing MRI experience, along with the high-resolution 3D imaging detailing 20 slices per minute. As the patient relaxes to controlled lighting, colors, and music in order to make the MRI process more calming and serene. We could have easily opted to use many MRI providers in the community, but Benjamin Leon Jr. decided to invest in technology and in the latest state-of-the-art MRI to make sure that our patients always have access to an MRI whenever necessary. Leon now has 2 MRI Caring Suites, one in East Hialeah, which serves the northern part of the county, and the other at our Kendall Center, which serves the southern part of the county. Our pharmacy services are a critical part of what we do at Leon. Each center is equipped with an on-site pharmacy that provides our patients with the necessary medications prescribed by their physicians during their appointment. After visiting their physician at the center, medications are filled and available right away, with a wait time of less than 11 minutes. So by the time the patient arrives at the pharmacy window, their prescription is ready. The patient can also decide to have their medication delivered free to their home. If the medication is needed right away, there are STAT deliveries. Our doctors and pharmacists use the same electronic medical records, so they have the latest patient information for better coordination of care. When it's time to refill prescriptions, one of our friendly pharmacists will call. Patients also have access to our free online portal, MyLeon, to request refills. Our state-of-the-art refill center, with an automated dispensing system that can fill up to 1,800 prescriptions per hour with 100% accuracy. This is an operation that Leon could have easily outsourced, but instead decided to invest in this technology. The refill center can rightfully be called the heartbeat of the pharmacy operation. Our urgent care centers, housed within our medical centers, provide medical treatments for conditions that require more than a doctor's visit but not hospitalization. Staffed by fully trained physicians, nurses, and supervised by a charge nurse and by our center's medical director. Clinical personnel at the urgent care centers can contact a patient's primary care physician, advising of the patient's condition and allowing the physician to provide immediate treatment. This can only happen because of Leon's coordination of care system taking place under one roof. Our patients have access to each of Leon's urgent care centers in Miami-Dade County, open 7 days a week. The health of your teeth can affect your whole body, which is why it's so important to see a dentist regularly. We contract only highly qualified doctors and most of the staff with over 10 years of dental experience. As with our specialized areas under one roof, our dental facilities are housed at each center. Whether it's a new pair of glasses or more specialized ophthalmology care, it's all available in one place under one roof. You will be examined by our professional staff of ophthalmologists and contracted eye care specialists. We provide thorough eye exams using our state-of-the-art equipment, which makes it easier to spot any optical problems. And the contracted optical centers located at each center have full optometry services, from eye exams to frame selections. If a chronic condition, recent injury, or surgery has left a patient in pain, Leon can help restore movement and improve quality of life through our physical therapy department located at each center. We offer treatments and therapies that support muscle strength, improved balance, and help reduce pain. Leon Healthy Living Centers are designed to help our patients maintain an active lifestyle. Our centers offer modern gyms with state-of-the-art equipment. Trained fitness specialists are available to provide guidance and tips for proper exercise. And we also offer wellness programs and seminars to help enhance quality of life. The cafeteria plays an important role in the day-to-day operations of Leon Medical Centers, other than providing patients the ability to socialize and interact with others. What was originally intended to be a service for fasting laboratory patients, the cafeteria quickly spread as a service for all and has become a part of the centers ever since. One of the points we take pride in at all Leon Medical Centers is very basic, but vital: the cleanliness, maintenance, and the hygiene of all our facilities. Each center has a dedicated maintenance staff, and part of the Leon culture is that upkeeping of our installations is everyone's business. If you choose to arrive at our facilities using our transportation, the transportation front desk coordinates all your transportation needs. We have close to 300 buses that are available with highly trained drivers that will make sure that you get to your appointment in a timely manner. Our door-to-door service is coordinated through our dynamic state-of-the-art dispatch center in order to get you to your appointment as quickly and directly as possible. There are 2 different types of vehicles available: regular buses and special transportation buses, equipped with lifts for those needing assistance with wheelchairs. The buses are fueled, cleaned, and disinfected inside and out in the evenings, and at our own mechanic shop, there are multiple levels of safety checks which take place every morning before the buses begin their daily journey. If you choose to get to the centers using your own transportation, we have ample parking. To make your experience more enjoyable, we have attendants in state-of-the-art modern golf carts at all times of the day, making sure you can get from your car to the center safely. The Women's Health Institute was initiated by the Leon family, who determined that our female patients needed a specialized center for their specific needs. Every level of detail has been taken to assure our patients enjoy the pleasant ambiance of while receiving breast imaging, bone density, and biopsies if necessary, all in one convenient place on the same day. The sooner you have the biopsy, the sooner you can start treatment or hear the reassuring news that you're healthy. You'll receive your biopsy results within 72 hours. Our Women's Health Institute is a breast imaging center of excellence, designated by the American College of Radiology. This ACR Gold Seal of Accreditation represents the highest level of image quality and patient safety. It is awarded only to facilities meeting American College of Radiology practice and technical standards after an evaluation by board-certified physicians and medical physicists who are experts in the field. Image quality, personnel qualifications, adequacy of facility equipment, quality control procedures, and quality assurance programs are assessed, and the findings are reported to the ACR Committee on Accreditation. We currently have 2 Women's Health Institutes, one at our East Hialeah campus, serving the north side of the county, and one at our Kendall Center, serving the southern area of Miami-Dade. Our new oncology center makes it easier for our patients to get help from diagnosis to treatment. First, the doctors and contracted specialists explain options prior to beginning treatment. Our nurses will also spend time with the patient to make sure what can be expected from chemotherapy and other appropriate treatments. Our customer service department is made up of nearly 140 employees, operating 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. They not only answer calls from our patients and family members in regards to a variety of concerns, but they also remind our patients of their medical appointments. They notify them of the time and place of their appointment, as well as their pickup time. Customer service also helps our patients and family members enroll and navigate our internet portal, MyLeon, which facilitates our patients access to their medical records, medications, clinical or laboratory results. Our accredited clinical customer service staff is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So at whatever time the call comes in, our doctors and clinicians have the patient's electronic medical records available, with all his or her information, including medications they are taking and underlying conditions they may have. The immediacy of this information allows our medical personnel to to make the best determination as to what decisions should be made and steps that should be followed anytime, day or night, to assure the well-being of our patients. Should our physicians find it necessary, they also coordinate paramedic and ambulance services to the home at any time, so the physician can evaluate the patient's condition and make the best decision. Should hospitalization be required for our patients, hospital service centers exclusively offered by Leon are located at our partner hospitals throughout Miami-Dade County. They are uniquely designed and staffed so our patients receive the same medical excellence and personal attention we provide at each of our centers. Our hospital service representatives tend to our patients' needs, whether hospitalized or while receiving a hospital outpatient service. If hospitalized, our representatives visit our patients daily to check on how they're feeling and their satisfaction with hospital services, and also accompany them to their procedures. They are also responsible for communicating with the family on the patient's condition. Once the patient is discharged, the hospital service representatives coordinate transportation if necessary, follow up to make sure the patients have all their necessary medication, and coordinate any other services needed, such as durable medical equipment and other at-home services, in order to facilitate the patient's transition home. An important department at Leon Medical Centers is coordination of care. This department's coordination team is the patient's partner in healthcare and is the center of coordination between our specialists and external providers. The patient never needs to worry about setting up an appointment with a specialist, an external service, or even getting a referral. Our coordination of care team handles it all. They also coordinate transportation and follow up all orders or referrals. Anything necessary for the patient's journey to be complete, easy, and worry-free. An essential part of Leon Medical Center's operations happens after your visit. Our team of service assessment operators call our patients to make sure we have met and exceeded their expectations of their Leon experience. An average of 5,000 patients are called daily in order to evaluate the service they received from the previous day's appointment. That's an average of 1,300,000 per year, which include incoming calls from patients that want to report a service encounter, a compliment, or a suggestion. Leon at Home is comprised of Leon Home Medical and Leon Home Health. Open 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, is Leon Medical Center's extension into the home. It provides nursing, physical therapy, and home health aid services. Our nursing and therapy teams can immediately share visit notes, photographs, and assessments with our physicians, facilitating quick decisions in the field. These dedicated professionals work hand in hand with our care management teams to ensure that the same quality and empathetic care our patients receive at the centers follows them at home. For your comfort and safety, while you recover at home, the durable medical equipment service of Leon at Home is here to do just that. When your doctor orders items to aid in your recovery, we offer 24/7 customer service and prompt delivery of equipment based on your medical needs. Our patient care technicians will deliver, set up, and teach you how to use and care for your equipment. Our team of social workers assists patients with social, emotional, and community-based services as needed. They work closely with the primary care physicians to ensure that they are kept informed on the progress of the patient. Our recent addition of Leon Access, a partnership program with the Florida Department of Children and Families, assists with Medicare and Medicaid savings program, U.S. citizenship, food stamps, and other financial and support services. One of our most important principles is the concept of housing most of our patients' needs under one roof. Respecting our patients' time is a critical component. For most people receiving health care, Medicare or not, visiting a primary care physician, a specialist, undergoing diagnostic tests, be it blood work, x-rays, ultrasounds, or other, can be a time-consuming proposition that can take weeks to achieve. This is where our systems, but more importantly, our people come into play. Here at Leon, you can have it all done in one day because it's coordinated by a staff that is reviewing schedules constantly, trying to consolidate appointments to make sure that instead of coming in multiple times, we can have it all happen in one day under one roof. At Leon, you are not just a number. We build relationships and make sure we know what your needs are. Simply put, what could take you days or weeks in the general market could take you no more than 2 or 3 hours at Leon. We challenge anyone in the general community, Medicare or not, to try to pull that off. For over 50 years, the Leon family has been committed to achieving one goal: offering medical excellence and personal attention at all times.